Alright, I will show you what we got for the Civic. Ready or not? Here we come. Spec D, boys. It is upside down. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm not about to turn it for you guys. You'll just see it when it gets on. There. But we need to do some prepping to get these on there. First is to get the bumper off, and then get the light off, and then figure out the wiring for this DRLs, daytime running lights, and then from there we can get the rest to go in. But first we need to lift the car up so I can go under there and then take the front bumper mountings off, or the clips. Let's do that. Underneath goes the jack, and up goes the car, followed by the jack stands, and now we're ready to remove the bumper. And now I lay down underneath the car, taking out all the clips. Now removing the clips from the top, and 2 screws that hold the grille, followed by the screws holding the side of the bumper. Now pulling the side of the bumper and tapping with a hand, just until it comes out. Now just pull the bumper, and that's 1 bumper removed. The headlight itself is held on by 3 screws, 1 at the top, 1 underneath, and 1 on the side. Don't forget the connectors connecting the bulbs. Once unplugged, out comes the headlight. If you own a Civic, the headlight mounts tend to get rusted. So this is me trying to cure it. First sanding it, and then gonna be painting it. Just bear with me, not the best paint job, but it gets the work done. Also remember, first time painting. Now just taking off the other side. You see this amber? It's basically that's the DRL.
All the way inside.
It took us far too long to figure out which one was the DRL, because not on internet, not even on Spec D, so yeah. Okay, so let me show y'all. See that? That's the turning signal right there. Turning light. This is the one that you need. All you're doing is cutting this in half and just getting an extra connector out, just so you can run the DRLs for the Spec Ds. Now to removing the bracket that holds the headlight. It's held on by 1 screw that you see me taking off now, and then the mount just comes off. Look at that, the Civic looks like it's going through some serious surgery, which it is because it's getting new lights. And now I'm just putting on the bracket that holds on the headlight onto the Spec D, and would you look at that, voila, what an improvement that's gonna be. Now all I'm doing is just transferring over the bulbs from the headlight to this headlight. Keep in mind that some of them do not work with this one, so you do have to change them. Now as you can see, I've already connected the 2 connectors onto the wires for the DRLs on the Spec Ds. And all that we're doing is just connecting the connectors to the headlight to see if that works. And look at that, how nice of a light that is. Now if any of you guys are trying to do this and are not able to figure out the wiring, you can comment down on this video or DM me on Instagram, and I'll try to help you out as much as I can. Now let's put the light back in. Now to tighten the 3 bolts we took out earlier, but on a new light. Now that one's done, the other one's gonna be a breeze. So let's get to it. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see this, but basically it's this connector, right, for the turning signals. We just basically just chopped up this rubber part or whatever plastic part, and then cut it here like that. And then now we're gonna just put male or female connectors on each, and then do the opposite on this side, and then just have extra wires connecting here that go to the LED itself, or the headlight. Now all we're doing is just stripping the wires and then connecting these connectors onto those wires. Now I'm taking extra wire that's going to be connected from the headlight to these connectors. Think of it as getting 2 connections out of 1. Actually, there's black here on this side. Black wire that's connected to blue. Just make sure you run the same color, same way. So basically you take that, you put it in this connector. I don't know what these connectors are called. What are these called anyways?
They're male and female connectors.
Is that what they're called?
I'm pretty sure. Okay. You want me to do it?
No, that's fine. Just go at it. And then you just connect it, bro. Just connect it.
And that's it.
But you need to do the red one too.
Yeah.
Same thing. Obviously. Now same thing here, connecting another red wire to the red wire. And then just connecting the connectors on it. So that we have two extra wires, red and black, that are gonna go into the headlight DRL. Alright, now you have two loose wires. What do? You connect these
together.
Yeah, just kill your battery right here, right now. Same thing here, just connect these quick connectors, quick release connectors, whatever they're called. Just connect them. If you're looking to buy these connectors, they're in the link down in the description.
I think wind blew half of our stuff away.
Probably.
I don't know where it is. Sandpaper's missing.
Yeah, our sandpaper's gone to
Luckily our 10mm is still there.
Now doing the same thing here, just connecting these connectors onto these extra wires that are gonna go into the DRL for the headlight.
Wait, the wire's out, man. Yo, you pushed it in too much. Pull it out a little.
It's too long, that's why I gotta take this one. Just tape these up now or later?
Later. I'll tape it up after when we connect the lights. Okay. See if everything's working.
Alright,
well, I'll bring the light inside.
Because these connectors have a male and a female end, just make sure to use the opposite of the one you used before. Now same thing here, opposite of the one that we used before. So if you used a male end on both sides before, just use female ends on both sides now. Now that's all said and done, let's connect and see if it works. And to us, it's a very good news. Now all that's left is to mount and adjust the headlight. Once that's done, on goes the bumper. You can't tell me these are not the baddest headlights for the Civic. Spec these, brother. I picked these up from Facebook Marketplace, so these are second hand. And I got them for $350 a pair. For both of them, they were $350. Leave your thoughts down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this Civic build so far. Just keep watching, stay tuned. You'll see what's up next with this. And yeah, peace.